one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Cheerio, Monarch. Go to Code Red. Call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons. This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got a cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
It's some kind of mute jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova, you know we're going to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait!
There's King. Where's this King?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. I got this.
We're all toast.
First it was King, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrans, are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over now.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket! Well, okay, now walk onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Don't worry about it.
If we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you are likely doomed.
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Is that the machine gun?
The Big Bang!
That seems bigger.
of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Where's that cake toast?